Tired of endless scrolling and want to take control of your online experience? Let's get started by exploring Chrome's built-in settings for some basic control. Open Chrome on your phone, then tap the three dots in the top right corner to open the Chrome menu. Scroll down and tap Settings. In the Settings menu, tap Safety Check. Here, you can enable enhanced safe browsing. This helps protect you from dangerous websites by providing you with real-time information about potentially harmful sites or downloads and blocks them automatically. Now let's explore Parental Controls. Head back to the main Settings menu and scroll down until you find Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls. Tap on it. To set up Parental Controls, you'll need to install the Google Family Link app. Follow the on-screen instructions to create a Google Family group and manage your child's online activity. But let's explore third-party extensions. For more robust website blocking, you can use Chrome extensions. However, Chrome on Android doesn't directly support extensions. To get around this, you'll need a third-party browser that supports Chrome extensions. One popular option is Kiwi Browser. Download Kiwi Browser from the Google Play Store. Once installed, search for Chrome Web Store in Kiwi Browser and install a website blocker extension like BlockSite or Stay Focused. These extensions let you create custom block lists and even set time limits for specific sites. Now open BlockSite Extension you installed, set time limits, and customize browsing, and there you have it. With these methods, you can effectively block websites on Chrome on your phone, creating a safer and less distracting browsing experience. Stay secure, browse responsibly, and remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips and tricks.